Drones have evolved from fragile World War I experiments to sophisticated combat tools like the modern Switchblade. The integration of artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize the battlefield, shifting the focus from human pilots and mechanical systems to autonomous machines capable of making independent decisions. AI-driven drones can process vast amounts of data in real time, enabling them to detect threats faster than humans, navigate complex terrains autonomously, and execute precise strikes. These systems analyze data from sensors and cameras to identify threats, track targets, and provide real-time battlefield information. Autonomous drones can operate with minimal human oversight, enhancing situational awareness and reducing risks to pilots. The increasing autonomy of drones raises critical ethical questions about accountability and morality. When machines make lethal choices, determining human responsibility becomes challenging. Ethicists, engineers, and military experts are actively debating the ethical implications of delegating life and death decisions to machines. Key ethical principles include minimizing harm, respecting human autonomy, and ensuring algorithmic transparency. The evolution of drone technology echoes historical cycles of trial and error. Like the failed experiments of World War I, today's AI weapons undergo continuous testing and refinement. Each failure provides valuable lessons for engineers, leading to improved tactics and strategies. The future of drone warfare includes the deployment of drone swarms, hundreds of autonomous drones working collaboratively. These swarms can intelligently divide tasks, shield valuable assets, and overwhelm traditional defenses. Drone swarms exhibit self-organization and adaptability, enhancing their effectiveness in complex combat scenarios. AI enhances drone capabilities through stealth technology, EMP defenses, and advanced camouflage. AI algorithms optimize drone performance by predicting enemy movements, adapting mid-flight, and countering detection. Stealth drones, like China's Casque CH-7, are designed to penetrate contested airspace, providing intelligence and strike capabilities. Countermeasures against drones include jamming devices, missile interception systems, and high-power lasers. Nations worldwide are engaged in a race to develop advanced autonomous combat systems. Investments in AI-controlled drones, drone swarms, and cyber defense systems are increasing. The focus extends beyond physical battlefields to include digital, tactical, and autonomous domains. Drone warfare has consistently pushed technological boundaries, from early World War I machines to modern AI-controlled swarms. The integration of AI marks a shift beyond human limitations, paving the way for faster drones, smarter AI, and fully autonomous systems. The evolving rules of war will transform future conflicts. The story of military technology is ongoing. Continued exploration of hidden histories and futuristic weapons is essential for understanding the future of warfare.